If meditation actually worked, why is everyone still anxious? The meditation industry is worth $2 billion. You've been told to just breathe your whole life. So where are all the calm people? The answer is going to make you angry, and I'll prove it in the next 4 minutes. First, meditation does work. That's the trap. It works the same way an aspirin works for a broken leg. The pain goes away for a little while. The leg stays broken. Every morning, you sit, you breathe, you feel a bit calmer. By Tuesday at 3 p.m., the anxiety is back. Because you treated the symptom, not the source. So why does meditation work at all? Because something is happening. When you breathe slowly for 10 minutes, your parasympathetic nervous system actually turns on. Your cortisol drops, your heart rate variability improves. These are real, measurable changes. For 10 minutes. The catch is, none of those changes touch the file underneath. The next time the file gets triggered, the response runs exactly as before. You feel calmer because the alarm is quieter, not because you fixed the alarm. It's like turning the volume down on a smoke detector while the kitchen is on fire. Here's the part nobody tells you. Anxiety isn't a state, it's a learned response. Something happened sometime in your life, and your nervous system filed an entry. The world is not safe. Every time the world reminded you of that, your brain ran the file. Heart rate up, shoulders up, shallow breath, ready for the thing that already happened. 20 years later, you're sitting in a meeting and your body thinks you're in danger. Meditation calms the response, but the file is still there. This is why you can meditate for 10 years and still spiral on a Sunday night. You're not bad at meditating. You're using the wrong tool for the wrong problem. Meditation is a damp cloth on a burn. It helps in the moment. It doesn't reach the burn. The burn is the belief your nervous system installed 20 years ago, and that belief lives somewhere meditation does not go. And before you say, okay, then I'll just do therapy. Same problem. Cognitive behavioral therapy works on the conscious mind. You sit with a therapist, you talk through your thoughts, you write down evidence against the anxious thought. It helps. For the conscious moment, journaling, gratitude lists, affirmations spoken in the mirror, same category. They all involve a fully alert brain, talking to itself, in a normal waking state. And the file is not stored in the part of the brain that's alert and talking. The file is stored under it. So all that articulate work runs over the top of the file like rain on a roof. The file does not care. This is why people read 20 self-help books and still feel like the same person. So where does the belief live? In the subconscious, the part of your brain that runs everything you do without asking permission. You can't talk to it with logic. You can't reason it out. It doesn't care about your morning journal entry. It doesn't care that you know better. The conscious mind reads the manual. The subconscious wrote it. And the subconscious is only open to rewriting in very specific brain states. Theta, sleep, deep relaxation, states. Most people never deliberately enter. This is what hypnosis is doing. And yes, real hypnosis, not stage tricks. Slow the brain to theta. Quiet the critical mind. Deliver a new belief directly to the subconscious. The file gets edited at the level it was written. The same thing happens during the first 90 minutes of sleep, when slow-wave sleep is consolidating belief and memory. These are the windows. They are short, and most adults sleep through them or never enter them awake. So how do you actually enter theta? 3 options that work for most people. 1. Guided audio. A recorded voice that counts you down, walks you through breath, and slowly drops you into a deeper brain state over 5 to 10 minutes. There are free ones online, paid ones are usually better. 2. The moment just before sleep. The hypnagogic state. That drifty, half-dreaming window between awake and asleep where your subconscious is wide open. That's why audio played in the first 30 minutes of sleep gets absorbed differently than audio played at noon. 3. A long, slow exhale technique. 4 seconds in, 8 seconds out, eyes closed, for about 6 minutes. The long exhale activates the vagus nerve. The vagus nerve drops the brain into theta. It is the closest thing to a natural hack we have. Pick one, just one, and do it daily. So what should you actually do? Keep meditating. It's still a good tool. Just stop expecting it to fix what it isn't built to fix. Add a second tool, something that reaches the subconscious file. Self-hypnosis, guided audio at sleep onset, recorded affirmations played during the slow wave window. 10 minutes of work in the right brain state will move the needle more than 2 hours of meditation in the wrong one. That's the whole secret. It's not a willpower problem. It's a state problem. Here's what a real 7-day protocol looks like. Monday through Friday, 5 minutes of slow exhale breathing before bed. Then a short audio track playing for the first 30 minutes after lights out. Saturday, same. Plus one 10-minute daytime session with a guided theta audio. Sunday, write down one belief you want to install. One sentence, present tense, play your audio. Notice if the sentence feels different by the end. That's it. About 12 minutes of work a day. And unlike meditation, every one of those minutes is hitting the actual file. Most people who run this for 30 days describe the change as, I don't have to manage it anymore. It just isn't there. Meditation is the cloth. Your subconscious is the burn. Stop treating the cloth like it's the cure. Subscribe if this rewired something. See you in the next one.